Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Quotation. In this video, we are going to cover the topic comments in Java. First, we will be covering the theory part, like the different types of comments that are available in Java. And then we'll be seeing them in IntelliJ, like we'll be adding all these kinds of comments in our code. So let's start. In Java, there are three types of comments: single line comment, multi-line comment, and Java docs. So basically on the left hand side, you can see I have noted down all the three comments. Single line comments start with two forward slashes. So everything that will come after these two forward slashes, it will be treated as a comment. Now suppose your comment is big, so it will come in like multiple lines, 2 lines, 3 lines. Then you can use this multi-line comments, which will start with forward slash and a star, and it will end with star and a forward slash. So everything that will come between this, it will be treated as a comment. So you don't have to give two forward slashes on each line. You can give that as well, but this looks more neat. The third type is Java documents. This is basically used for documentation of your classes, methods. So whatever the details are present, you can do that. So there's nothing much in the theory parts. Let's go to the IntelliJ. Now let's see how to use comments in an actual Java code. So let me create a new class for this and say as comments usage. And as I don't have to execute this code, I'm writing this class just to show the comment. So I'll not add a main method here. Instead, I'll just add, say, a method named sum, and this method will take two inputs and it will add those two numbers received in input and return them sum for that. So at this moment, do not worry about the method structure or what I've written here. I'll explain in details about like how to write the method and what are all these inputs and what is this return type. But for now, just to show how this comment works, I'm writing this. So what was the first type? It was a single line comment. So you'll just add these two forward slashes and then write anything. So this will be treated as comment. Now you can also add after this uh, statement. So int c is equal to a plus b. What I've said that everything that will come after two forward slash will be treated as comment. So this is also a comment. So int c is equal to a plus b will be treated as a statement, and then everything that comes after two forward slashes, it will be treated as a comment. Now one more thing. Second thing was multi-line comment. So suppose you have a lengthy comment and that will span to 2 lines. What you can do is multi-line comment. Multi-line comments start with forward slash and star, and then it ends with a star and a forward slash. So everything that will come between these two will be treated as a comment. This is multi-line comment. So you can notice that I have not added forward slashes on this line 8 and on this 7, but it's still it is treated as a comment because these two are in between this thing like forward slash and a star, and it's with star and a forward slash. You can also use multi-line comments with forward slashes as well. So you can do like this. This is multi, and then you can again do line comment. So this way also you can add multi-line comments, but this doesn't looks neat. This looks neat. Like you add this forward slash and a star and then end with a star and a forward slash. Everything that will come, it will be treated as a comment. Now, what is the uh, Java documents? That is the third type. That is important. So that can be used above the public class, like above the class and also for the methods. So how will I add it? I'll add it as a forward slash two stars, and then it ends with a star and a forward slash. So let's say this is a class to show usage comments. Okay, this you added above the class definition. And how to use it above methods? This Java docs can also be used above the method. And basically, Java docs are used for documenting your classes and methods. So class I showed. Now for methods also, you can do the same thing like forward slash and two stars, and then ends with a star and forward slash. Now when you press enter, you will notice that some annotations are coming, like it is showing param, and then return. And then in front of the param, you could see the variables that you have used as input. So you can add like this param a is first number, then param b is second number, then it returns sum of numbers. You can also add more annotations here. So for adding more annotations, you can like come enter here and then press Control and space. Then you can see all these annotations that are coming here. So API note, return we already used. Deprecated is like when the method is not supposed to be used anymore. We'll cover this as well when we will be covering methods. And then there's an exception. So I'll not explain about this exception and deprecated because this is more on a method level. So once we read methods and once we truly understand the signature of methods, then probably I'll come back again to this Java doc to show you like how entirely or how in detail this Java talk could be cover. But for now, let's just keep it as it is. And here, like on the first line, you can add a method description also, like this is a method to to give sum of two numbers. Now, once you have added all these annotations, what you can do is you can come at top in IntelliJ on tools, and then in tools you can click on the third option, generate Java doc. So when you click on it, a new window will be open where it will ask you like where you want to put this documentation. I have given my directory at C quotation, and then I'll click on generate. So once you generate, it will generate your Java documentation and it will open a browser for that. Now in the browser, you can see this that unnamed package because we have not put our class in a package. What is package? We'll cover probably in our next video or in our upcoming videos. And then you can see here classes, comments usage. This is a class to show usage of comments. So if I click here, it will, when I click on that class, it is showing that constructor, default constructor, of course, we'll cover later. So main point is uh, this, the method that we have written sum. So here you can see that modify and type sum, and here you can see the description that you have given in the method. This is a method to give sum of two numbers. And then if you click on this method, you can see here method details sum, and it is showing the definition of the method. And then again, it is showing this description that you have provided. This is a method to give sum of two numbers. In the parameters, it is saying A is the first number, B is the second number, and returns sum of the numbers. So this is all that you're seeing here, you have provided in the documentation part. So you can compare again, like everything that we saw here, it is present here. This is a method to give sum of the two numbers, A is first number, B is second number, and it returns a sum of numbers. So basically this is a very simple method, and just to show how comments work, I've written this, but this is very helpful in projects like where there are classes and methods, so you can just get the Java doc if it is properly documented, and then you can understand what the class does, what are the methods available, what does those methods do. So this is really helpful. So yeah, that's pretty much it in the comment section. And yeah, that's it. Thank you. So this concludes this section. In this section, we discuss different types of comments and how to use in IntelliJ. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to the channel Quotation. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.